What's new in TurboCAD 2023? Callouts along Polyline. Go to Block Palette. Drag and drop block to model space. Go to Properties from local menu. Go to Block Insertion and change X-axis and Z-axis to 45 from rotation, and from scaling change X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis to 0.1. Press OK. Go to Dimension and select Automatic Callouts. Select Entity. Select Finish Selection from local menu. Define the first point of boundary. Define next point of the boundary. Select one step back from local menu. Select Finish from local menu. Go to Selection Info Palette. Go to Table Style, then Data, and change Height Text to 0.5. Define point to specify table. Select Entity with Select Tool. Check Remove Hidden Line from 3D option of Selection Info Palette. Uncheck Show Invisible Lines from InsertHL Option. Select Cancel from local menu. Thanks for watching.